परवेज मुशर्रफ कौन है और इनके बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? परवेज मुशर्रफ became the president of Pakistan in 2001. He took power through a military coup in 1999. Musharraf served as the chief of army staff before becoming president. He introduced the local government system in Pakistan. Pervez Musharraf launched Pakistan's war on terror after 2001. He played a significant role in shaping Pakistan's foreign policy. Pervez Musharraf faced treason charges after stepping down in 2008. He was born in Delhi, British India in 1943. Pervez Musharraf resigned from the presidency in 2008 amid political pressure. He authored a memoir titled In the Line of Fire. Pervez Musharraf was born on August 11, 1943 in Delhi, British India. After the partition, his family moved to Pakistan. He joined the Pakistan Military Academy in 1961 and was commissioned in 1964. Musharraf quickly rose through the ranks due to his leadership skills and military acumen. In 1998, he became the Chief of Army Staff. On October 12, 1999, he led a military coup that overthrew Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif's government and took control of Pakistan. Musharraf became president in 2001 and focused on economic reforms and fighting terrorism, especially after 9/11. He aligned Pakistan with the US in the war on terror and introduced local government reforms. His tenure was controversial, facing criticism for curbing democracy and handling political opponents. He resigned in 2008 under pressure and faced legal challenges afterward. Despite mixed views, Musharraf played a crucial role in shaping Pakistan's military and political landscape. He authored a memoir titled In the Line of Fire. परवेज मुशर्रफ आफ्टर 2001 में पाकिस्तान के सदर बने. उन्होंने 1999 में एक फौजी इनकलाब के जरिए इक़्तिदार संभाला. सदर बनने से पहले वो चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ के तौर पर खिदमात अंजाम दे चुके थे. उन्होंने पाकिस्तान में लोकल गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम मुतारिफ करवाया. परवेज मुशर्रफ ने 2001 के बाद पाकिस्तान की दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ जंग का आगाज़ किया. उन्होंने पाकिस्तान की खारजा पॉलिसी तश्कील देने में अहम किरदार अदा किया. परवेज मुशर्रफ को 2008 में ओहदा छोड़ने के बाद गद्दारी के इल्ज़ामात का सामना करना पड़ा. वो 1943 में दिल्ली, बरतानवी हिंदुस्तान में पैदा हुए. परवेज मुशर्रफ ने 2008 में सियासी दबाव के बायस सदारत से इस्तीफ़ा दे दिया. उन्होंने अपनी खुदनोश्त इन द लाइन ऑफ फायर के अनवान से लिखी.